Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to give you a review of the Ikon Motorsports lower rear bumper valence for the S550 Mustangs. So here it is. As you can see, I blacked out the body line to match it. So it comes like a water-based primer, and I sprayed it with trim black. So it's a nice flat color, easy to match if it gets scuffed, and then it matches the rest of the body kit that's on the factory Mustang. So fitment is okay. Fitment fit really good on this side. Like this hugged the body really nice. However, this side it was a little questionable. Didn't quite fit great. It's kind of nice and tight. Overall, for an eBay product, is not bad. So it wasn't too tricky to install. I basically used an 1/8 of an inch drill bit and Clecos. So if you guys aren't familiar with Clecos, you drill the hole to the size of the Cleco through the part. You put the Cleco in, it expands out. It basically creates like a temporary rivet, and you just pull it out to remove it. So attaching it, I used rivets. Tried to be consistent with the rivets. Underneath here for this little wing, rivets. Same thing for the body underneath. So this was fairly easy to install. I think it took me roughly maybe an hour. And then for painting it, I used a fine green masking tape, and I just went along the body, taped off the lights, the exhaust, everything that I didn't want to be black, taped it off. But yeah, and it looks pretty good, especially for an eBay product. Not too bad. Fits a little weird there, but yeah, overall it's not too bad of a product. We'll see the longevity of it for the customer, but if you're just looking for a nice looking rear valence that's fairly simple to put on, this might be a pretty good option for you, honestly. But anyway, more info to come. I got a couple more tutorials, and thanks for tuning in.